Hello everyone and welcome to DIY with AJ. Today we are going to make this beautiful and small waterfall that I have made with hot glue gun. For making my waterfall diorama, first I have taken some broomsticks and I'm just cutting it in some length so that I will make bamboo from it. And you can use some what we can say random broomsticks, or if you have skewers, wooden skewers, that will also do. So I'm just opening some edges or some fine stem of the broomstick so that it will give a natural look to my bamboo, and I'm cutting them. As you can see, these are all the one, and these are some leafy decorations that was there with my artificial flowers. So first I am coloring the wooden sticks in the color of bamboo or little bit green. I don't want to cover them completely with green. I want to show some yellow part so that it will give some natural effect. And now this artificial leaf or the decoration that I have got with my flowers, I am cutting it and separating each leaf so that it will look like the bamboo grass leaf. So just separate it. If you don't have this kind of thing, then you can just color a piece of paper green and just cut the strips in triangular shape or leaf shape and attach it. So since I was having this one, so I just used this only. And now with the help of hot glue gun, I'm just attaching it to give it a natural bamboo kind of look. So this process will be repeated. Now here I have a wooden board, old one. I have collected some rocks from my garden, and this is a mixture of cement and water. If you don't have this, you can just stick them with hot glue, and if you don't have hot glue, just use plaster of Paris. So here I am just spreading some cement, and I will just try to make a roughly circular kind of pond structure with it. And let's just see. I think I will go for 2 layers, and at one point, at one end, I want to make it high so that I can pour I can make the water fall from there. So one end should be high, and I am using mainly flat rocks for that. Now I will cover the remaining part of the board with the cement remaining left over, that whatever was left in the container. And for giving extra texture, I am just using some sand to sprinkle over the cement so that when it will dry, it will become a part of it. Now I will take a clean film. You can take any clear plastic. It should be thin, and that will do. So now I will just use my hot glue to stick it at one end. I will try to give it a curve like shape so that it will look like it will fall. It is falling from the top of the rock or whatever high mountain kind of thing I have created. So now just move the hot glue along the plastic wrap. Since hot glue is very hot, it will melt the plastic little bit, and it will create so much natural kind of water look. And now this panda I have made in my previous video. If you want to see how I have made this miniatures panda, then there's a iCard for you at suggestions also above at the screen, and you can check out my other videos in my channel if you want to see more DIY stuff. And this is another panda I have made from the same epoxy compound, and it's quite easy. So I'm thinking I will stick it over there. It will look nice. So this craft is again very easy, but it takes time because hot glue takes time to dry, cement takes time to dry, and tedious as well. But the result was nice. So now I'm just trying to glue my bamboo that I have created, and see, here it is. But still I am feeling that it is not complete because I don't know what it is lacking. So I decided to finally go for coloring. I can't help without colors. I don't think anything can be completed without colors. So first of all, for giving that look to the waterfall, that the water is pouring from above, I just spread some white color here and there near the waterfall, so that it will give some extra definition, or what we can say, extra reality. Don't know the exact word. Now I'm just trying to paint the moss and the greenery on the rock so that it will look like it is in a natural environment. And I think after coloring it will be ready and it will look nice. See, already it is looking nice. I am painting some bamboo as well, and here it is after coloring, and I think it looks nice. Thank you for watching my video till the end, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.